regular basis. Canby has more pretty fast cosmetics to show us just how easy it is.
Yes, because Tina inspired this, okay? Because she's like, when's the last time you cleaned your brushes? And I couldn't remember. Like, it probably had been over a year, which is terrible, right? Christine, so how often are we supposed to be doing this?
So you should clean your makeup brushes once a week. And the reason why is it's good for your brushes and it's good for your skin.
Okay.
So you're basically, when you put product on, makeup onto your brushes, you apply it on your skin and then you actually pick up your excess oil and dirt from your face. So
that just gets stored on your makeup brushes.
Yeah, and then if you have breakouts, you end up getting the bacteria into your brush. So cleaning it once a week is really important because it'll prevent breakouts as well.
Now you have a few different ways that you can do this.
Yeah.
So kind of show us what we do.
So I like to water wash my brushes. So I start with putting water on the brush, and then I like to use a lightweight cleansing. And
what is this little guide that you have here?
This is a cleaning mat for brushes. It's from Sigma Beauty.
Okay.
And it basically gets in here. There's 5 different little sections, so you can move your brush around to...
Can you get something like that on Amazon, or where do you get that?
This one I got in Nordstrom, but you can get it on Amazon.
Okay.
This is a mini, so it's great to travel with. And it actually has different textures to it, so you can kind of get in there and work the product into your brush, like the cleanser, and then just rinse through.
Now this is just water that you're using, right?
Just water.
Okay.
Water.
And then this is what? Let me see.
Oh, it's Up and Up from Target. It's a baby wash.
Oh, just like a baby wash. Okay. Because a lot of times you'll see people trying to sell you like makeup cleaner.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, something very gentle, something very easy that you would like use on your body.
Yeah, because you have this brush off, which I have in my
oh, I love that.
I have it at my house right now, but the problem is it's almost gone. Because it's easy to use a lot of this for when you clean your brushes.
Yes.
Right?
So with this one, you actually just easily just spray. This is actually more maintenance, so like throughout the week. So, I use my makeup and I need to, just wipe it down lightly.
Okay.
This actually is the easiest way. Spray
you know
tissue.
what? I've been spraying it actually on the brush. Is that not good?
Well, all the product stays on your brush.
Okay.
So you actually want to spray a tissue or a paper towel and then just wipe it back and forth.
And I'm pretty sure I have this one too. This is the e.l.f. It was really inexpensive at Target.
That one is like $3 at Target. The brush off you can get on Amazon for $14. Sephora has a really great one. This one is $15. And then the Estee Lauder one is really nice, and that's about $20.
But it really seems like this is probably the best way to go because it's a lot more inexpensive.
This one is water washing. This is $3 for this container, and it lasts months.
Now, do you think you should do the water washing and one of the cleansers another time too? Kind of switch off between?
Yeah, once a week, clean your brushes.
Okay.
And then you're going to press the water out, lay them flat to dry overnight, and then in between uses throughout the week, or if you travel, then you wash them with your spray cleanser.
Okay, let me ask you this too, because I just recently cleaned them.
Okay.
And when I dried them overnight, the next day, they were not fully dry. Is that normal, or am I washing them the wrong way?
So, okay, that's the thing. So if you noticed when I washed the brush, I actually went down and the handle was up. So you want to make sure that no water goes into the base of the brush because this has all kinds of, it holds a whole bunch of water.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you press out the extra water, and then you'll see a little extra come out, and then you lay them flat to dry. You can kind of fluff it back out too.
Because what happened is I probably got a bunch of water in there, and then when it's laying flat to dry, the water really has nowhere to go, so it just sits in there.
Yeah, and what happens is too is the water will sit in here, it'll break down the glue, so your bristles will fall apart and your whole brush will fall apart.
Oh, so. I'm really bad with my brushes.
But you lay it flat to dry.
They're supposed to last you forever.
Oh, yes.
You get good brushes.
Oh my gosh, I have a brush that, I've had this for about 15 years.
Oh my gosh.
And as long as you keep it clean and you wash it, with a gentle product, you're going to have your brushes for years.
Okay. What website for you?
Oh, prettyfastcosmetic.com.
Okay. And remember we had you on before with your makeup bags, which I've been using.
Yay! Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. And speaking of makeup, next